Hello everyone, welcome to CATIA tutorial. I am B. Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, KITS Warangal. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to create a pocket features from distinct profiles belonging to a same sketch, and also I will going to using different length values. The multi-pocket capability lets you do this at one time, and at the end of this video I will show you how to edit the resulting multi-pocket. Now you can draw a sketch on the existed pod drawing. Now exit from workbench. Now click multi-pocket. This option is available in uh, pocket subtool. You can also choose this multi-pocket in insert menu, sketch based features, multi-pocket. You can see here this sketch that contain the profiles to be extruded. Here one important note is all profiles must be closed and must not intersect. In case a profile would be open, the application would not accept to applying this multi-pocket definition. The multi-pocket when you click the when you choose the multi-pocket definition, it displays multi-pocket definition dialog box, and the profiles are highlighted in green color. For each of them, you can drag associated manipulator by using mouse to define the extrusion value. Otherwise, you can enter the depth value in the multi-pocket definition dialog box. You can see here this red arrow normal to the sketch indicate the proposed extrusion direction. Uh, to reverse it, you can just need to click that arrow mark. You can see here the multi-pocket definition dialog box display the number of domains to be removed. In our example, the application has detected 6 domains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 as indicated in domain sections. Now I am choosing this select extrusion domain 1 from the dialog box. You can enter the value in the depth section. Now I'm entering 10 mm. Next, similarly specify the length by entering a value for the remaining domains. You need to repeat this operation for each extrusion domain by entering the value in the depth. Uh, in the depth, for example, you can choose extrusion 6. Now I am entering the value is 10. Next, you can one important note that you can multi-select extrusion domains from the list before defining a common length. Multi-select extrusion, just you can choose the multi-select. You can choose the extrusion domains, and next enter the common value for the selected extrusion domains. For example, you can see here these three rectangles 1, 2, 3. I am giving same length. Extrusion 2 and 3 and 4, I am giving same value. Now I am entering 50 mm. Next I want to give extrusion domain 5, that value is 40 mm. Just click. For seeing this multi-pocket difference, just you can click on preview. If you want to edit the dimension, just you can enter the value. Just I'm changing this extrusion domain value. Just you can choose this one and enter change the value. I'm giving 20. Click preview. Here one more option is there. More option. Click more to expand the dialog box. In the it show the second limit. You can specify a length value for the direction opposite to the direction previously defined. For example, I am choosing this one. Now I am entering the value in the second limit, for example 10 mm. Click preview. You can see here the extrusion domain value is added. That means previous one is 20 mm, that is first limit value. Second limit value is 10 mm. These two values added in the extrusion domain 1. uh, you can see here this is direction. uh, this use is when you unchecking the normal to sketch option lets you specify a new extrusion direction. This topic is already covered in uh, creating a pads topic. Okay, after defining these extrusion domain thicknesses, just you can click OK. Now create the multi-pocket this added in the specification tree. The next topics I want to add one more topic, that is how to editing the multi-pocket. In this editing the multi-pocket, this scenario I will show you how to add an extrusion domain in the power drawing and how to delete an extrusion domain. Now I'm going to explain first one, that is adding an extrusion domain. Now I'm taking one example. The new profile is sketched outside existing extrusion domain. Just you can double click on the sketch. Just you can double click on the sketch too. I want to draw one circle on this pot. Now I am choosing circle. Just I want to draw here. Now quit the sketcher workbench. Just you can see here a warning message. That means the entire sketch is converted into red color. That means it shows one warning. Just now you can double click on this multi pocket one. It shows the feature definition error window displays providing the details of the modification. Just you can read the modification details, that is impacting modification in the profile are taken into account. That means 6 extrusion domains kept, 0 extrusion domains deleted, 1 extrusion domains created. Now click OK. You can see the last one, the 7th domain is also added. Now give this means 7th means the extrusion domain thickness per circle. Just you can choose this domain 7 and enter the depth value. I am giving 30 mm. Now click preview. The multi pocket one is now composed of 7 pockets. 1 1 to 7. This multi pocket one is now composed of 7 pockets. Now let us see the example 2. Now click OK. The example 2 is the new profile is sketched inside an existing extrusion domain. In previous one I have created one profile and outside of the 2D sketch. Now the second example is the new profile is sketched inside an existing extrusion domain. Now just you can double click on this sketch 2. Just you can draw a closer profile inside this extrusion. Now I am taking one rectangle. I want to draw one rectangle here. Now quit the sketcher workbench. Now also the entire pod drawing and the multi-pocket drawing is converted red color. That means it shows one warning. Just you can double click on this for updating the previous drawn sketch. Just you can double click on multi-pocket. Uh, the future defines error window. It displays providing the details of modification. That means impacting modification the profiles are taken into account. 6 extrusion domains kept, 1 extrusion domains deleted, 2 extrusion domains created. Just you can click OK. When sketching a profile inside an existing extrusion domain, the application deletes that existing domain and replaces it with a new one. This is why the message window displays. First one is extrusion domain deleted, second one is extrusion domain created. Uh, just you can here two extrusion domains are added. Just you can give the values here. Now I'm giving 40 mm. Second one I'm giving 30 mm. Now click preview. Click OK to confirm. Now the multi-pocket one is now composed of 8 pockets. Uh, Last point is deleting an extrusion domain. How to delete an extrusion domain in the multi-pocket tool? Just you can double click on this sketch and delete extrusion. Now I want to delete this one. Delete. I want to delete this rectangle. Now quit the sketcher workbench. Uh, Similarly, the entire powdering convert into red color. It shows that it shows error and warning. Now double click on this multi pocket. It one displays appear that is features definition error. That means impacting modification in the profile are taken into account. 7 extrusion domains kept, 1 extrusion domains deleted, 0 extrusion domains are created. Okay. Now click OK. This is the brief discussion about how to create a multi-pocket and how to edit and how to delete the features in multi-pocket in CATIA V5 software. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.